Rise and shine, kids, and happy day! Isa sa mabuti at masayang gawin ay ang magbigay, mag-share, right? Why? Tingnan nyo ang ginawa ng isang widow woman. Widow means whose husband has died, no? Sila yung mga mommy na wala na silang husband, wala na si daddy kasi namatay na, di ba? So ano kaya ang ginawa ng widow when she went to the temple and worship Jesus? Look at it.
Jesus sat right across from the temple treasury. It was a place where the Jews gave money in as an income for the temple. Jesus watched how people put money into the box. A lot of rich people gave a lot, but there was also a poor widow. She put 2 small coins, worth a few cents, into the box. Jesus then called his disciples to him and said,
"This poor widow has given more than any of the others who put money into the treasury. For all the others gave of their abundance what they had extra, but she gave out of her poverty. Everything she owned, everything she had to live on."
What Jesus
Did you see that, kids? The widow woman is poor. Mahirap lang yung babae. Mahirap lang siya. At wala nang tumutulong sa kanya to provide her needs. Kasi nga, wala na siyang asawa. And that time, ano lang ang mayroon siya? Sige nga, meron lang siyang 2 small coins. 2 small coins. Naku kids, baka mas malaki pa ang baon nyo kaysa dun sa pera ng widow. At ano ang ginawa niya sa 2 small coins? Yes, the widow gave everything. No? Binigay niya lahat yung kanyang pera. At sa pagkanya pagbibigay, this story demonstrates the attitude in giving, yung tamang pag-uugali sa pagbibigay. Kaya let me share with you the attitude of giving. First attitude, give with a heart. Okay? Give with a heart. Ibig sabihin, masayang nagbibigay, hindi tayo nag-iisip ng give or not. Give or not. Hindi na natin yun iniisip. Kundi giving with a heart is giving all to Jesus with all your heart. Give to Jesus with all your heart na kapag may allowance ka, ihahanda mo din yung para kay Jesus. Diba? And you are giving with a humble heart. Diba? Pag may baon ka, ay, ito yung para kay Jesus, ito yung pang snacks ko. Pag may allowance ka ulit, ito yung para kay Jesus, ito yung para sa baon ko. So, unlike ng rich people, di ba, yung mga mayayaman na unang nagbigay na ipinakita sa kwento, they are much proud sa pagbibigay. At gusto talaga nilang makita ng mga tao yung amount, no? Kaya pagbibigay, cling! Ang pagbibigay nila, kailangan nakikita ng mga tao. Di ba? Second attitude is selfless giving. Selfless giving, ibig sabihin kids, hindi lang ang sarili mo ang iniisip mo pag nagbibigay ka. Diba? For example, may pang-offering ka, pero ayaw mong ibigay. Kasi iniisip mo, pambili ko to ng food ko pambili ko to ng gusto ko O, diba? So, selfless giving is seeking Jesus first. So, selfless giving, inuuna natin si Jesus, inuuna natin itabi yung pang-offering natin para kay Jesus. Inuuna natin ang mag-offer kay Jesus before anything else. Then kids, Jesus sees your heart. And Jesus looking at your heart. Diba? Nakikita niya at tinitingnan ni Jesus ang puso mo when you give. Kaya kids, gusto nyo ba ng right attitude of giving? Gusto nyo ba ng right attitude? Yes! So the attitude of giving, always remember, give with a heart and selfless giving. Now kids, handa na ba kayong mag-offering? Yes! So kahit nasa bahay kayo, no? Pagka pumunta kayo sa church, give your offering to Jesus. Give them all to Jesus. Amen.